last week we released a game and lots of people actually liked it. And also they asked us to improve it a bit. So we did it. So check it out. This is the new one. So you will load the people on the left side. Okay, you click on load and then you go to next questions. Now here, it's not anymore just Zoho CRM. It's Zoho CRM, campaigns, desk, books, forms, Zoho One Administration, and Zoho projects. You can select as many applications that you want. The questions will be loaded automatically. And if you want to add yourself, you can. Now, also you can see here that the way that we have it, it's multiple questions with one correct answer. So you can add more, but we already loaded for you 61 for each application. Why 61? No clue. It's just the number. Once you're starting the game, you will have the people on the right side. And then once you're clicking on spin, it will spin. And now Matthew is on. Matthew will have a question. It will say that it's coming from Zoho Forms. It's a user question. Which of these is a field type in Zoho Forms? You have drop-down, integration, approval, and workflow. Drop-down, such a great question. And then they will get a point. It will run through the entire people, and then it will come back again. And for each one, it will ask one question. Okay, so now Rachel, Zoho Desk question. How do you find tickets waiting on the customer? And you will have the different answers. Okay, so if I got it wrong, for example, it will deduct 1 point and will show me which one was the right answer. The idea is for you to work with your team and have fun. So while you are trying to see what is the status of the people in the company and if they know the applications that they work with, you also have some fun and it's competitive and everybody's happy. I hope it will help you. And if you are looking for where to find this game, you will go to amazingbusinessresults.com. You will go to resources and you will see Zoho CRM team game. We'll change it to Zoho One team game because it's changed. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.